Hey there guys, this video is mainly for Garrett. He's 1971 SS15 on YouTube. He wanted to see this old 1960s Cooper mower. I have just taken it all the way apart and cleaned it up real good, used soap and water and lots of WD-40 to clean all the grease off. So here it is. The engine needed a fair amount of work. Whoever owned it before me, this is trash picked by the way, whoever owned this thing before me took really good care of it though. It had really clean points, but they were still bad. They put it in storage or something for a while because it was dirty as hell. Like it had just been sitting, but they also painted preservative oil onto the deck to preserve the deck from, you know, rusting. This is an aluminum deck. It's got a Chocomatic carb. It's got the manual throttle. I'm eventually going to get a cable for it. It's got a vertical pull start. It's 3.5 horsepower. It's got a strange dipstick setup that just pulls out and then locks. And it's called the Cooper Cyclo-Vac 21-inch self-propelled rotary mower. It's got a strange little transmission right here. And then the gear shift up here, and then this is how you engage it. This transmission is actually pretty dang loud, but this thing usually starts first pull on medium throttle. So let's go ahead and try it out. Then it's got a faded fuel gauge right there, which has the fuel float. I don't think it's any good, but it's there. But there it is. What does that sticker say? Opie Power Equipment. I've never heard of that. But anyways, there you go, guys. Alright, see you later.